Hello everyone, this is Sneha from Oscar English Institute of Learning, and today we are going to discuss about some coffee vocabulary. Who doesn't want a cup of coffee when it's a tiring day, isn't it? But there are many confusing names about coffee, so let us get clarified today. Without any further delay, let's get inside the video. The first word that we have in our list is espresso. Espresso is a highly concentrated form of coffee in which we pour the hot water into a finely ground coffee beans. It is from Italy. Its origin is from Italy. The next one that we have is flat white. Flat white is espresso based coffee in which we add microfoam. Microfoam is a steam milk of velvety consistency. We add that microfoam over the espresso. The next one that we have in our list is Americano. Americano is kind of similar to espresso, but it is in a low concentrated form. We add hot water over the espresso to make it into a dilute form. The next one that we have in our list is macchiato. Macchiato is kind of similar to that of flat white, but instead of adding steam milk, we add foam milk to the espresso to make it the bit velvety consistency. The next one that we have in our list is latte. Latte is the most preferable drink for the coffee intakers who prefer to have dilute form of coffee and not the bitter taste. It consists of the three ingredients, which are espresso, milk foam and steam milk. And these three ingredients, we add half of the cup of steam milk and the other half consists of the microfoam and the espresso. Next one we have is cappuccino. Cappuccino is also kind of bit similar to that of latte, but the only difference is the consistency of the ingredients. The ingredients here are also espresso and then milk foam and steamed milk. Then you might be thinking, what's the difference? Then the difference is all of these three ingredients are poured at the equal amount, making it a tad bit more bitter than that of latte. So if you are into the bitter taste of coffee, then this is the choice for you. The next one is mocha. Mocha is basically the cappuccino, but in this drink we add chocolate syrup or cocoa powder plus sugar. And if you want your coffee to be a chocolatey taste, then this coffee is for you. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you enjoyed our video, then hit the like button. Also comment down below other coffees that you know and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the time I need to bid goodbye till the next video. Stay safe, take care.